Set in the heart of the lush and verdant Tarn-et-Garonne, just on the edge of the popular village of Parisot, this charming stone house offers a serene blend of character, comfort, and modern living. Nestled in a peaceful hamlet, the property enjoys the calm of countryside life while being only minutes from local amenities and a short drive from larger towns. The main house, beautifully renovated across 3 levels, features 4 en-suite bedrooms, each offering privacy and comfort for family and guests. Warmth and charm are present throughout, with stylish finishes and thoughtful design combining the best of traditional stone architecture with contemporary conveniences. The attached annex, awaiting final touches, offers excellent potential as guest accommodation, a home office, or an income-generating rental space. Outside, the 1,513 square meters plot provides a private sanctuary with a swimming pool set in its own landscaped area and surrounded by a paved terrace, perfect for alfresco dining, entertaining, or relaxing under the sun. Mature planting and carefully designed outdoor spaces create a peaceful haven, ideal for enjoying the natural beauty of the region. This property offers a truly enviable location. Within a few minutes, the village of Parisot provides a bakery, grocery store, and cafe, while Villefranche-de-Rouergue, only 20 minutes away, offers a wealth of shops, restaurants, and weekly markets. Ideal as a family home, holiday retreat, or seasonal rental with the appropriate permissions. This property combines charm, privacy, and versatility. With its stone character, private pool, and potential filled annex, it represents a rare opportunity to embrace the beauty and tranquility of the Midi-Pyrenees region while enjoying modern comfort. This enchanting stone cottage is brimming with character and charm. Surrounded by rolling countryside, it offers a peaceful retreat while still being within easy reach of amenities and just 70 kilometers from Toulouse Airport, making it perfect for international travel or weekend escapes. Inside, the cottage immediately welcomes you with a beautifully arranged open-plan kitchen, dining, and living area. Exposed stone walls, rustic beams, and a cozy wood-burning stove create warmth and atmosphere, while French doors open onto a secluded terrace with a covered outdoor kitchen, ideal for entertaining friends and family or enjoying quiet moments in the fresh air. The ground floor also includes a practical laundry room, a versatile hobby room or study, a WC, and an additional room currently used for storage. Upstairs, 3 inviting bedrooms provide restful sanctuary, complemented by a spacious bathroom featuring an oversized tub, double sinks, and a separate shower. Every detail, from the exposed beams to the stone walls, celebrates the home's character, combining timeless charm with modern functionality. This property is being sold fully furnished, making it an ideal turnkey solution for a holiday home or a stylish pied-à-terre in the French countryside. The village setting provides a genuine sense of community, while the surrounding landscape offers endless opportunities for walking, cycling, and exploring the region's rich history and culture. Whether you're seeking a tranquil family home, a holiday retreat, or revenue-generating property, this charming cottage in Toulouse promises a lifestyle of comfort, character, and countryside elegance.